Hello, this is Lee Mallett from Mallett Buildings, part of our 23 series on why you should do business with Mallett Buildings. Today we're going to talk about post protection skirt boards. Many years ago when I started this, we did not know skirt boards existed. In fact, I don't think they were manufacturing them at the time. So basically what we were doing, we were going into the ground with the post. And that is how they did it in the old days, and the post would last for a long period of time. The only problem with that is if concrete got up on the post, it could cause deterioration. And because you were in the ground, it was sustained to moisture, organisms, different things. Though maybe 10 years, 15 years ago, I don't remember how many years ago, because I visit trade shows, I finally saw a product that really changed the industry, because whenever we didn't have post protectors, this is what the steel people would use against us. Oh, they're putting that post in the ground, it's gonna rot, yada, 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 yada. The problem, the steel boys didn't tell everybody that their stuff was gonna rust, because ours won't rust. But they had a point. So we found a product called a post protector. The post protector is a sleeve that goes and encapsulates the post before it goes into the ground. That product keeps the concrete from touching the post. That also keeps the moisture from getting to the post. Also keeps the ground organisms from getting to the post. So every Mallett building comes with post protectors and also skirt boards. Skirt board being, in post frame construction, the bottom grade board, or the bottom 2x6 on the outer, becomes the grade board. That becomes the form of the building. So we started adding another product, which is we wrap the 2x6 with a product now, so that the concrete's never touching the board, and from the outside it's protected from the moisture, and it wraps all the way around the bottom so nothing can get to it. And that increases the longevity of your building for many years. Many years. In fact, we guarantee 50 years you're not going to have any problems with the building. It's longer than that, but 50 is a pretty long time. But so when you're buying your building, make sure that the product that you're using on your building is going to help you protect against that. Some competitors are going to offer it, some aren't. Some may try to tell you that you don't need it. That's not true. You really do need the product. I would never build one of my buildings without a post protector or a skirt board cover. And so with that, I appreciate you listening, and we'd be glad to help you if we can, so come visit us.